Hi, this is a MATLAB tutorial. Here we will show you how to run the project and how to upload the project, and we will explain some of the pre-processing steps used for the image. So let's start with the MATLAB. So here we will enter the MATLAB and we will click on to the MATLAB button, and the MATLAB system will be opened. So here you have to select, by clicking onto this button, you have to select the project where you have stored the project. So let's select the project. So here where my project is stored, where my project files are stored. So click on select folder. So these are the files, these are the GUI files and the main file and some of the images. So just click on to go to the main file. Here where my codes are, source code is available, and here some of the functions have been used. So that functions will be this butterhp.m is the function which been used in fracture detection. So we will call this butterhp in fracture detection wherever we need it. So let's run the project by clicking onto the run button, which is displayed over here. If I go to the butterhp and if I click to the run button, system will provide an error for me. So I should go to the main page, because this is the function where the main page calls. So you should not run the function, you must run the script, the main file, and click to the run button. And so over here you can see the application, and over here you can upload the image and you can see how the system is running. So we have used some of the image pre-processing steps in this system, so we'll be explaining that. So I'll be explaining that. So over here, as you can see, this code is used to display the banner, and so over here, once the image is uploaded, over here it has been shown that once the image is uploaded, image should be in .jpg, .pmp, .png. Only these three formats will be accepted by the system. So this system will accept these images and will perform further image pre-processing steps. So the system will convert the RGB image to gray image and will display this image in the axis. And later on, once the user selects any of the pre-processing steps, so here these are the pre-processing steps applied, where we have used IM adjust, where system will apply the contrast to the image, will contrast the image. And we used butterhp. This is a filter is used to remove some noise from the image in order to get an accuracy in our output. Later on, we have used BW area open. These function butterhp is the function which are created by us. This IM2BW, IM2double. These are the inbuilt function of MATLAB. So BW area open, over here the system removes some of the smaller images, some of the smaller objects contained in the image, which is below 150, and the images of, if the image has some gaps or something, it will be filled. The image will be filled by using the function IMFill, and the BW morph function is used for morphological operation. Here we have used bounding box in order to get a bounding box around the image, And these are the functions we have used, MATLAB functions for image pre-processing. Let's see how each function works, each image pre-processing function works. So to do that, what you have to do is you can work with the image pre-processing step. We can view the image pre-processing step by displaying each of the pre-processing steps. Like you have to enter figure, and you can specify title for each figure, what it does. Like over here, this function contrasts the image, and you have to specify, you have to use the function ImShow in order to show the image. And the next step we have done is we have used some noise filtering. Over here, the noise will be removed from the image. So we will enter the title. The noise is removed in order to get accuracy in output. So we must specify the variable name in the ImShow function. Over here, the system converts the image, grayscale image, into black and white. So we will specify the title as grayscale image. And we will mention the variable name. Then next, over here, the system removes all the unwanted objects from the image which is below 150 area in order to get output objects. Then later on, this function ImFill, what it does is it fill up the gap in the images. So if the system finds any gap between the images, it fills up. It fills the holes between the objects. And we must specify the variable name over here. And again, the system removes some of the objects which are unwanted. And next, we have used bwmorph over here. This function, what it does is it does some morphological operation on the image. So ImShow bw1. So here we used ImErode function. So ImErode function will erode some of the ImErode function will remove some of the objects from the image. So let's enter the title and the variable name. In order to see the pre-processing step, let's run the project. and over here we have to load the image. This is the bone fracture detection system. You have to load the image and you have to specify the type of the fracture and click to the detect fracture button. So you can view various pre-processing steps applied to the image. So thank you for watching MATLAB tutorial.